So we just helped our second person get out of the snow. Oh shit. Drunks leaving the bar now, getting stuck. He has 4-wheel drive, so we're okay.
So almost kind of vehicles have 4-wheel drive.
Yeah, it's a Dodge Avenger, or no, wow, what am I saying? It's a Dodge Journey.
Yeah.
Still snowing pretty good, and we're still supposed to get 4 to 9 inches. More tonight.
9 a.m.
Wish we still had the snowmobiles.
Yeah. We'll see how deep this stuff is.
Now we're going through the Knights of Columbus. It's pretty deep here.
Oh, it's not too bad. I bet it's so deep it's coming over the hood on the truck.
Huh?
There was snow here one time, I was coming over the hood of the truck. Let's see what it looks like on the inside.
Pretty deep. Huh?
I don't know. You're still making it, video?
Yeah. I didn't know if you wanted me to or not.
Oh, okay.
Huh?
You don't need to anymore.